how to create a DeepSeek account. So if you want to sign up to DeepSeek, I'll show you how to do it. First, you want to go to deepseek.com and you want to select Start Now if you're signing up on the web version. You can get it from the App Store if you're on the iPhone, and I believe it's also available on the Android. So once you've selected Get Started, you'll be taken to this page here where you'll need to select Sign Up just below the login here. Once you do that, you'll need to enter an email, then a password, and then confirm the password. Then come underneath where it says Send Code and select I confirm that I have read, consent and agree to the DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policies. Now, everything I'm seeing online, I do recommend that you read them, as some people are saying we shouldn't sign up to it. However, I'll leave that up to you to decide if you want to. Now, once you've clicked that, press Send Code, and it'll send a code to your email address, and you need to enter that email address and then select Sign Up. Now, if we look at the top here, due to a large-scale malicious attack on DeepSeek's servers, registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Registered users can log in normally. Thank you for understanding and support. Now, DeepSeek has gone through the news all over the world. So maybe it's not a malicious attack, just that so many people are trying to sign up. If you're having problems, I do recommend trying to get on with the app, and you can sign in with Google. If you're still having problems, try going on a VPN. Some people said Japan is the best connection to use to get it to work. However, I found India to work perfectly. So hopefully that helps you out how to sign up and create an account for DeepSeek.